government council chairman is waiting. Are you agree? Come September 2nd, popularly called Madam Ward. Popularly called Madam Ward. Are you all ready to receive her? Are you all ready to receive her in the council? Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Eghe Ogbemudia. Onye me sebe. Oh yeah, yeah. Egor. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. Ogbemudia megare. Ogbemudia megare. Onye me sego. Oh yeah, yeah. God will bless each and every one of you. Now, He will talk to you in times coming.
PDP, rescue Nigeria. PDP. I want to let every Egor youth know that this is your time. For the first time in history, Egor has the youngest House of Assembly and the youngest commissioner. Egor youth, this is your time. I want to appeal to you, let us work together. Let us work together to take Egor to the next level. It is our time. Great youth.
Now, I'm emulating from her today, by the grace of God, that we are with Governor Godwin Nogayase Obaseki. Is it it? Yes. No going back. We don't have any other governor. We don't know any other governor except Godwin Nogayase Obaseki. He's our amiable governor. Where he goes, where he goes, where he moves to. So, we the Egor, the entire Egor, we are behind him. We are for him. 247. Why we are here today, by the grace of God, by on the 19th, which is Saturday, we want to announce to you that our amiable governor, our Tokinadu governor, our Emato will be visiting Egor. The place, that is the venue, is Olua Primary School. Please, I want you in each ward to mobilize 150 to that place to tell our amiable governor that we are on ground. Eghe Ogbemudia is on ground. Ogbedo Ifalu Isibo is on ground. Ifalu Isibo is on ground. So by the grace of God, I believe we are going to win. And the election, precisely, is going to take place on September 2nd. Please, we cannot rest according to our father. Oni edigi owori abo obiye oge no ni mai mani doleji ma seti biye obi ma ige ege na yore no be go dia ma se wa ni ma egwe oge no ni mai if Eghe is not seated with his legislators, we will not rest. Our enemy will rest by the grace of God. They will all rest by the grace of God. Labour will rest. APC will rest. SDP will join up. ADP will join us. Now, our mother is here. He asked before I will hand over the microphone to her to talk to you, because that very day I want you people to give our amiable governor a surprising message. At least what we need in a God. We need over 35,000 votes for Eghe Ogbemudia. I think we can do that. 35,000 votes. I think we can do that, Egor. To show our numerical strength. To tell our amiable governor that we are together, that we Egor, we are not divided. Under my leadership, under Eghe Ogbemudia as the chairman of the council, we are going to rebrand Egor under the leadership of our new commissioner, under the leadership of our amiable House of Assembly member, Honorable Natasha Irobosa Osawao. Egor will be proud.
Look at all of you here. Are you not party members? Are you not party members from each ward? Are you not leaders from each ward? Is there any higher crowd here? We are all PDP. Egor, clap hand for ourselves. Wepo, wepo! Wepo, wepo! Those people wey talk say they wan contest for Egor, I will tell them say wepo, wepo, because PDP na e get Egor local government. Abi no be so? Abi una go wait make dem collect am from una hand? Una go wait? So tell me, the people here, they are more than 500. Because this chairs here is 500 chairs. And people are even still standing. Abi not be so? Imagine these 500 people wey dey here, wey pass 500 wey dey here. Una bring 3 people on Saturday. I don't know say that school go catch. Abi, just 3 people plus yourself. 3 persons plus yourself. Abi, you come there. That will be 2,000. This one are just party members. So you never go meet your neighbor, tell them say rally on Saturday. Abi, now make us dey here today. Because I believe say, now when all of us sit down like this, now the information they reach where everybody dey. Because to come go word by word, We don't fair do and pass. That time when we dey do and they never give us date of when our governor dey come. But now when we don't get date that our governor is coming on the 19th of this month, are you ready? Are you ready to receive the governor? Are you ready to receive another Eghe Obaseki? My governor, your governor, our governor. Are you ready? Great youth. Women, oh yeah. Women, oh yeah. You say you train a woman. No woman. No man. No man. No youth. You see, now make our governor decided to bring youth come now to become our commissioner. Not be so. Youth are not happy. Are we not happy? Egor must move forward. Forward ever. Forward ever. I beg. You see this Saturday. You see that system of monkey they walk, bamboo they chop. We don't forget and we don't go through we and for Via River. And they hear me so. This will not be that time when they go say bring people come. When it reach time, they go dey find who hold am. Na me hold am that day. And it go reach everybody hand. So make I come tell you now today. Say as soon as they mobilize to come out on Saturday, we go do accreditation. How we take come out from each ward. On Saturday, we are going to be expecting our governor. Your governor, my governor, our governor, Eghe Obaseki.
Now, I want to tell you once more again that the rift happening now in Edo State, we, the Egor, we are behind our amiable governor. Isn't it? We are for our father, the owner of this land, the default, the Dujuru governor, the Ematon of our time, my governor, your governor, our governor, Godwin, Eghe Obaseki. We, the entire Egor, we are behind him. Where he go, we PDP.
Everybody here present, for us calling you all in a few days and we had a mammoth crowd like this. I hope by Saturday we'll have 4 times of this number, so that when the governor comes, you will see Egor well represented. As we come freely here, as we are going back home, we will go home safely. PDP!
PDP. The election we are going into is the most important election in Nigeria. I'm here to emphasize the importance of this local government election. This is the most important election in Nigeria. So with our sister going for the contest, whether we like her, we don't like her, but you should love your party, which is a PDP. On that day for the election, you are not going to see her photograph there. I think I'm right. The councillors as well, you are not going to see their photograph there. You are going to see the logo of PDP. Till date, PDP is still the best party in Edo State. We are all here today because we belong to PDP. If we know we want to continue to be in the system and enjoy the dividend of democracy, we must hold on to what we have. We must hold on to PDP. We must support Madam Eghe. We must support her day and night, and let's ensure that PDP wins. The party is supreme, and we must abide with the party to enable us to stay alive. That is the message that I have brought to you. Let's unite, and let's unite. God bless you all.
Why we dey here today? Now to come talk say, number one, make we come stand for our amiable governor, Godwin Nogheaso Obaseki, back for wetin e dey happen when one person carry am, e go court. We no join that person, we no accept. Now Godwin, now we all dey God dey back. We dey back gidigba. Come tell people say na father of Egor, na he be Obaseki. Na father of Edo State, na he be Obaseki. Na him, as since when me grow up, I was born 1956. Now Obaseki don work pass for all governor when I don't see. So we can still gather here for the election when they come for on the 2nd of September, so that we've been able to deliver our chairman, Madam Project, and the councillor of each ward to tell people, say yes, PDP, we dey gidigba. Now we get this election.
Honorable Eghe Ogbemudia, now me be the PDP candidate for Egor local government for this election where they want to do on the 2nd of September. Wetin happen for here today, we dey call am stakeholders meeting. All our party members, some of our party members and leaders. So wetin we do, we call for 50-50 per ward. Leaders, stakeholders per ward, 50-50. So now we can't do meeting here today. So you see the people wey come, they pass 500. They pass the 50-50 per ward. Some ward bring 87, some bring 70 something. You know, so the meeting be say, we wan come tell them, say on Saturday, now our governor dey come. Make everybody go ready, gidigba. Say because Egor never take last before, and Egor no go take last. So people wey come today, we can't tell them, if una wey come today wey pass over 700, na carry just three people follow body. Everywhere don full. And everybody wey you see here today, na party members, PDP party members. All of them wey you see, everybody get in ward wey e dey, e get in unit. We get their names, their phone number of the people wey come here today. So we come prepare. Say make we come wait for governor, because one parable say one finger no dey carry lice for head, so only one person no go fit do am. Anybody wey talk say him go fit do am, na lie. So one person no go fit do am. So as we come today now, we come gather together. Everybody agree, everybody happy, everybody don dey go home now to go prepare, wait for our governor on Saturday.
In Winosa in Abulele, we want to represent the good people of Ward 7 will come September 2nd. Wait till you see what will come happen here today. Now the entire local government from Ward 1 to 10, the leaders and the party members come here, come pass vote of implicit confidence on our governor, the person of Governor Nogheaso Obaseki, the Ematon of the universe. Say the people of Egor, we deal with 100%, I will loyal to 100%.
I'm Eghe President, the councillorship candidate representing Ward 5, Egor local government. So today is a gathering for all of us. We come here, number one, to come flag off our candidates, Madam Eghe Ogbemudia, our Madam Project. We, the councillor, we also come prepare for our togetherness when we will receive our governor this Saturday, 19th. We also come together to come strategize, and we also come to come talk to our people. Say me they come out massively, make our governor know say Egor people dey for am gidigba.
What we have just done today for here Now to just bring our party people, make them come. They will start from here today, go to campaign from the various wards where they. That's where they come. But we're going to tell them how they go take a campaign for their various wards. So today we happy to say, as they come they come in their very, very good numbers, and we're happy well.
What is happening here now, we came to proclaim, to tell the people of Edo State that Egor PDP were behind the governor, Obaseki. Eghe Ogbemudia and other members of this world of Egor were all supporting Govunor Obaseki as the authentic governor of Edo State.
My name now Omokaro Bosede, Ward 1 candidate, PDP. So today is a meeting to meet with our leaders and stakeholders of the party for them to be much more aware of our Saturday rally, that we are much more with the governor, His Excellency, Mr. Govunor Obaseki, that the good people of Egor, we are solidly behind our governor.
Honorable Joe Imafidon, by the special grace of God, I mean they represent the good people of Ward 6 for Egor local government. So the reason we come here today, now to come prepare with our papa, the father of the state, the executive governor of Edo State, His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. As in they come see the good people of Egor this Saturday on the 19th of this month. So now the leaders of PDP for Egor, now they take all of us together, come brief us, say our papa they come, so they can tell us, say make we prepare, ready come on that day.
On Saturday, massively we don't prepare to receive our amiable governor, the best governor of the universe, the wonderful, enigmatic and good governor. Governor wey sabi understand the plight of the people. So on Saturday 19th, we don't prepare gidigba, we don't prepare to make sure say the good people of Use, Ogida, all of them come out in mass that day because they say they like the way the governor tell you do things and the way and manner way into the position governance for Edo State. So we are 100% solidly behind the governor, His Excellency Godwin Obaseki. We are 100% behind you. So we use God, thank you. Say as you call that day, your coming is successful and we will go back successfully. I want to use this medium to beg people in the house. Say September 2nd, now D-Day. On that day, when I come outside, when I thumb up, vote for PDP. PDP for chairman, PDP for councillor. God bless you. My name is Lion Prince Godwin Uwadia Edigi, representing the good people of Ogida Use, Ward 3, Egor local government.